Today we're going to be talking about volume and surface area. So let's start with volume, and in volume we have that it is the amount of space in a 3D object. Okay, and the unit we have it as cubes, so we have an exponent of 3. Okay, we have 3 different types of shapes. First, we have cylinders, where this is the base, and then this part right here would be the height, h, right? We do have the formula B, volume equals area of the base times the height. And remember, B is, the capital B is area. Okay. In this case, since it's a circle, see right here, it's a circle, we use pi r squared for that. Okay, so in theory, it would be pi r squared times height, because that's what B is, because it's a circle. Okay, for cones, the formula is volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay, where this is the base, and it is a circle, so we are using pi r squared, and the height is going to be from the top to the bottom of the base. All this right here. Okay. A reminder, B here, it will be area of the base, and in this case it is a circle because right here we have a circle, so it will be pi r squared. So in reality it will be 1/3 pi r squared times height, right? Because that B is that pi r squared. Okay. For spheres, we have kind of like a basketball or some kind of ball that you have. We're only going to use the radius here, okay? And so our formula is going to be 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay. Let's look at surface area. Okay, surface area is going to be the total covering on the faces of a 3D object, and here we're going to have it as squared, units squared. So we have 3. We have triangular prisms, rectangular prisms, and cylinders. For the triangular prisms, here we have the base, which is this triangle right here. Okay. The height will be the height of the prism, because there's 2 types of heights. We have the height of the prism, which is it's gonna be right here. That's gonna be our h. Let's put height of prism, and then we also have the height of the base, right? And the height of the base, since this is the height, this is the base, the height would be there. Okay, I can also get this one right here. Okay, so that would be the height of the base. Okay, all right, so there's 2 surface areas. There is lateral and total. For the lateral, we got capital P times H, and for total, we got the lateral plus 2 bases, so 2 times B. Okay. A reminder, P is going to be the perimeter. Capital P is going to be perimeter of the base. Lowercase h is going to be the height of the prism. So that's the distance between the 2 bases, so that's this part right here. And then capital B, always it's going to be the area of the base. Okay. To find B, you're going to use 1/2 base times height, where h is the height of the base and B is the base of the triangle. Okay, that's where we're getting, like, this height of the base is where you're going to use your B for, your capital B. Okay. Triangular prisms is a little bit easier. We do have a base of a square. This is our base. And our height is going to be just the height on here. Okay. The lateral will be the same as the triangular prism, so PH, perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. And then the total will be the lateral, PH, plus 2 bases, area of base, where P is the perimeter, just like the other one, and H is height. And the capital B is going to be the area of the base. On this one, to find B, we're going to use base times height, where B is and H are the dimensions of the rectangular base. So we're going to use the base here. Okay. That will be H and B, lowercase b. The last one will be cylinders. For cylinders, we have a few things in our drawing that we're going to draw. We're going to put a radius, right? Because if we have the entire thing, that's the diameter. So if you have diameter and you want radius, just cut it in half. Okay. You have the height, and then this would be your base. Okay. The lateral and total for this one will be different because it is technically not a prism. It's a cylinder. It has circles, you know. It has 2 pi r h for the lateral, and for the total we'll have the lateral, so 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared, because we want 2 of the bases, and the bases are circles. Right? H is the height of the prism between the circular bases, so that's the distance between the circular bases, and an r is the radius.